It's this, right? Is it this?
Remember just like I told you already, this one is the master for these
Yeah.
two
Yeah, I
speakers.
know. Then this is there.
This is there, this
So
one
it's
is here.
this.
Not too high, go to 0. Okay, go to that speaker.
That.
Please, do you remember the first time when school
Talk, you have
just
to talk.
started?
You have to talk.
Hello.
What?
I am talking, but
Yeah,
I can't
you
hear anything. No.
But you need to push up.
Okay. Is it like that?
Okay, this one is to this one. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Your Mickey Mouse sound, come to here.
No, you have to beach first. Then after that,
Yes.
1, 2, 3 days, don't go out.
To there.
Keep washing, you get the
No, second one.
This one,
1, 2, 3, 4. Push up.
to this speaker.
3, 4. Yeah.
Okay,
Then you change this part
this
because
speaker.
yeah.
Okay, can okay. Now I want to have your MP3 player to the MP3 player to the rear right. Rear right.
Yeah, just push it and then 1 and 2.
Rear right.
1, 2. And push up, push up.
Is that all? No, it's not.
Right,
Don't change, cannot
Okay, so that's all.
don't change.
Why is it so complicated?
No, it's sequence of.
Can okay. Where's my your MP3 right? Mini disc that go to this speaker. Mini disc.
Why are you doing this to 3, 4? 3, 4.
No, no. The front one, right?
Is mini disc playing?
Mini disc is supposed to play.
This one the one okay. So it's mini. I don't want this one okay. Mini disc is playing
It's not.
Yeah, 3, 4.
Mini disc no more playing. Where is the?
So that's not my fault.
That's your
Where's the
fault.
playing?
Spoil already.
Where's the play? I can't see. This one. Okay, mini disc go to this one.
To this one.
She on already what?
Jesus Christ. Shit.
这要上手了。
Okay, I want to have this mini disc sound change to this speaker.
This one changed that one. Okay, just give me a moment.
1, 2.
Which one is it? This?
Yeah, 1, 2. But you need to press.
flower kind of like.
Oh no.
Then open the car door.
Then you push.
I don't want to real.
It's the other one, right?
I have the perfect hair.
No, wait. I start over again.
Okay.
It was actually here, correct? It was actually here, correct? I want to change it to there slowly.
Okay, well, I won't.